Hi, my name's Alice and I've worked alongside product design to create a brand concept for a 3D printing company. Within this, I made an animatronic head using 3D designed pieces and electronics. I went through multiple processes to create an animatronic face. I used 3D design softwares, 3D printers. I constructed it myself and with the use of electronics made it animatronic and had help with the coding. So I created a brand concept for a 3D printing business. They currently create parts for factories and they wanted it to appeal to creative industries. So I came up with the idea of creating this animatronic face to make the brand seem more exciting and appealing to creatives. I collaborated with multiple creatives on this project, including illustrators, animators, lecturers, musicians and coders. I'm really happy with what I've achieved and proud of the final product, and I definitely want to continue my studies onto a master's. So after the show, we were actually approached by a couple of companies to collaborate with. One was Tabletops, and they were hoping we could design and print some board game pieces. And then another one is a business and they make props for Comic-Con, and they wanted some kind of dragon construction created.